Page 12, the Sloop John B. It's apparently the name of a boat. One sharp, we're in the key of G major. Make sure you can do the scale for G major, preferably 2 octaves up and down. You should already know the scale for G major by now. So go 2 octaves. If you don't, then 1 octave is good enough. Learn the scale. And while you're there, go ahead and do the scale for E minor. It also has 1 sharp. Do them both. And 4/4 time, yeah, you got all that. Okay, right hand first. We got these chords. 1 and 2 and 3 and. That's a beginner's fingering. Let's go beyond that. If you got bigger hand, I mean, your hands are real little, you can't do that. Otherwise, I'm recommending you do a 1, 2, 4 on these. So you can do a. That's what I'm after. I want to feel that melody. 1 and 2. Here. All the way through this, anytime I get that, I'm going to use 4th finger on that B. 3rd line, same thing, and then 3rd. 1 and 2 and. Now if you can't get your hand up in here, then we have to change the fingering a little bit. Just go here, 1, and then cross over 2, 3. If you have big hands. Otherwise, use the fingering in the book. And then lift up. And connect that. Don't lift up. No, connect it. Now, for the most part, that's the right hand. You can read the notes of hope. If you can't, you need to go back to the method book, probably on the 1st or 2nd level book, and learn to read music. Left hand's just got this pattern going. I assume this is the waves of the ocean. It's not a 5 finger, yeah, here. All the way through, isn't this fun? At the bottom of page 12, last minute you come down. You got 1 beat rest, come down. So if you're moving around a little bit, it's not bad. On page 13, 2nd line down, C. Next line is A. So far, that's fun. 8th notes kind of help you with the rhythm in the right hand, because the first 2 majors is not going on here. So you can tell which note here you're playing here. So forth. I don't have a lot to point out here. It's pretty straightforward. Then add the articulation. There's not a lot going on in articulation. You just have a few slurs. Just make sure you're lifting up before and after the slur. That's handy because a lot of times you gotta move. Then you can do that when you lift up. Dynamics, that's to the melody, and that's the right hand. Again, they're giving you 2 dynamics. You start out soft, and you're gonna stay soft. Moderately loud, whatever you think that is. There needs to be a noticeable difference between and this. Keep it way down. I just feel a lot more weight on my right hand than my left. My left hand is really light. My right hand's pretty heavy. You get to the top of page 13, then with swell. I suggest you come down to soft and go back up to moderately loud. And then come down again to moderately soft and go up to loud. Here, it's like shifting gears in a car somewhere. You go, that kind of thing. So here, come down to soft. Up to moderately loud, and then come back down to moderately soft, up to loud, and then the 2nd line, come down to moderately loud, up to loud, here. So you kind of, I don't want to get too loud in this, but this is not really a really loud piece. Although, and the 3rd line down in the 1st ending, when you repeat, they want you to be loud. because you repeat back to the reverse repeat sign on page 12, and you were moderately loud here, but now you're going to be loud. I don't know if that's an error or not. That could have been an error. They may have meant moderately loud because that's what you did the first time. But when you repeat things, it's nice not to play them exactly the same. Change something, and usually dynamics is one of the things you can change. Dynamics or articulation or something, something when you repeat stuff. I'll leave that up to you and how loud or soft you're going to get. And then the second Indy, you're coming back down to soft, which means left hand's really, well, the left hand's been pretty soft throughout. So and then you're ending it very soft. And then slow down. Now all the time I'm doing this at the last couple measures, all the time I'm doing this, I want to hear this. So I got to keep under it. And this is very soft to start with. Good luck. But I want to hear this throughout the whole thing. Speed-wise, it's just a moderate speed. Just a moderate feel on it. And then we can add the swing. And the eighth notes, long, short. There's no notation for this. You have to feel this.